Hey there, you're welcome to Skilldemi. In this video, we are going to look at how to report reliability analysis. We are going to look at how to report the results in Spss. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page for subsequent and educative content on data analytics. Alright, so let's say you have already conducted your reliability analysis, and when we conducted our reliability analysis, this is our result. We have an alpha value of 0.904 that is beyond the threshold of 0.70 using 4 items to measure our construct. So in reporting the results, just right click on the outputs that you have here, copy it, then open an Excel sheet, then you paste it. Okay, paste it first. So what you are going to do is that you delete the reliability from it, then we give it a name. So the construct name, you type the construct name here. Construct name is sustainable supply chain practices. We have our Cronbach alpha value here, then we have the number of items. So we have these details here. You highlight it, you make it all borders, then you copy it, then you paste it inside your Word document that you're having. So you open your Word document where you are reporting your reliability analysis, then you paste it in there, then you format your table. Format your table this way, then I change some few things, your font size, then you can make everything automatic. Then you highlight your heading. So this is basically how to report your reliability analysis. Then you have to interpret it. So the next thing is to interpret it, and this is what we are going to say, that from table 1, what is this, the reliability test table, we can observe that our Cronbach alpha value for the underlying construct, which is the sustainable supply chain practices, is 0.904, and this is beyond the threshold of 0.7 because our alpha is greater than 0.7, which is our threshold. This means that the items that you have under this specific construct, the sustainable supply chain practices, reliably measures the construct correctly. So it means it is correct, and we can go ahead to do our data collection with the questionnaire and the questions that we have on it. And this is how easy it is. If you do not understand anything, just send a text or comment